Hi, my name is Pat O'Connor. I'm the owner, broker of the Veritas Real Estate Group. We're located in Coral Springs, Florida. Today I want to talk about our Florida Homestead Act, which can save Florida residents a significant amount of money on their property tax. In Florida, we have two types of property values. The first one is the appraisal value. All the properties in Florida are appraised January 1st of every year, at least for South Florida, are appraised January 1st of every year. And the second type of value we have is assessed value, which is appraisal value minus homestead exemptions, and that equals the assessed value, and the tax rate is applied to the assessed value. So if you do not file for homestead, then appraisal value equals assessed value, and you're not getting any benefit on that end from being a Florida resident. Just before I forget about it, you can only homestead one property anywhere in the world. So even if you own foreign country property and they have the equivalent of homesteading there, you cannot homestead here in Florida. They have investigators checking this stuff out all the time. So for homesteading, you have to be a Florida resident. You can prove that through the recorded deed, or there is something called a declaration of domicile that you can submit. You should own and live in the property January 1st of when you are filing, the year in which you are filing, and the filing deadline is March 1st. So I talk about savings. What's the savings? Right off the bat, everyone who files gets a $25,000 exemption on their property tax. So it would be appraisal value, which for new purchases, January 1st of every year is your purchase price. So we'll say in this case, purchase price minus $25,000 equals assessed value. If the property that you just purchased is worth more than $75,000, everyone gets an additional $25,000. So now you have appraisal value minus $50,000 equals assessed value, and then assessed value times your tax rate gives you your property tax. One other benefit from filing for homestead is the Save Our Homes law is applicable. For Save Our Homes, the assessed value cannot increase more than 3% a year. So you start off filing for homestead, you've got $50,000 deduction, and then your assessed value won't increase more than 3% a year. Remember, properties are appraised January 1st of every year, so if you don't, file, they're going to reflect the market value increases, which, as you know, right now, this is 2021, our market's on fire. Right? So please pay attention and file. So the fact that the Save Our Home says your assessed value won't increase more than 3% a year does not mean that your property tax won't increase, because if the tax rate increases, then your property tax will increase. But you're not going to get these huge swings that reflect market increases. And so there's really no point of not filing unless you happen to have homestead property somewhere else in the world. For more information, contact your local property appraiser's office. Here in Broward County, it is bcpa.net. Okay, thank you for your time. I hope I can save you some money. Bye.